Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be explaining how to receive money on Paysend, super quick and simple. But before we get started, if you want to save on transfer fees, you can use the invite code from the description below and your first transfer with Paysend will be completely free. So with that out of the way, let's dive in. First, you want to open the Paysend app on your phone. Then you want to go to the transfers page, this one. Now, since we are receiving money, you want to go ahead and tap on request money. Once you do that, Paysend will load a new screen where you can choose how to request money. You can either type in the phone number of the person you're requesting from, or you can simply select them from your phone's contact list. After entering their number or selecting their contact, just simply tap on continue. Then Paysend will send the link to the person you're requesting money from. And here's how it works. After the sender already has the Paysend app, well, if the sender already has the Paysend app, the link will open directly in their app and they can send the money to you right away. If they don't have the Paysend yet, the link will guide them to the sign up first and then they'll be able to send you the money through the app. And that's it. It's a super easy and convenient way to receive money from your friends or family through Paysend. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!